Alright, Mama Kwaba has some mama ha ediba and Fimudi so edi AJ Plolo AJ Bomian Como AJ and Fifimu AJ Ubia Yobia. Oh, you'll be missing me, you'll be some say every Saturday and Sundays beyond shamming or in my AJ Plolo and Fimudi Medino and fun to a mom. Now, say when you'll be dear Miss Row, oh, here we are, subscribe, like it, comment also. I wanna be your subscriber. I want you to be my subscriber. I mean, so many commentator. Me so near wono. Makwa faba ni yedi wonko konsa. Nyem wozan obi nisem o se nyem wozan. Makwa ko fa nyem wozan yamba. Na ye nya ya ba be hwem na ya se ade eye ne kwanso ana se eye ne bonenso. Edi ni ye AJ Plolo na ye wo be bia. Open it to drive, open subscribe, open AJ, Nina no one summer, and the Ubora Facebook, Uko searcher. Now, what type is film, and Ubeko YouTube, Twitter, and baby. I want you to be my subscriber. Just subscribe for me. Subscribe for me. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, now say a piano, it's going to be a PH. Or me background, sir. Oh, abawe bia. Yes, ni posing crop ni kumama fo. Na nde me fan ba ko friend me say, "Hey, ena dey meeting you there." Stone boy. Ena me dey akoma ni manager bia na say ni dress beautician ana ni beautician no wa dressing ni say ya na say then ma ba ko say Stone boy bisano. Near all catch up say, AJ, what is some tinimo? We are second stone boy, and I said, we are stone boy, my sister. Me a stone boy in fan. Okay, near my canon, me a stone boy in fan. All the musicians, I'm their fan. Yeah. Now we have a bag on us, our lady be our original Britina. The posing no, and the dress no, it's a winning. Only say, I say when you're African and I said but by African and I watch ni you can say galas hair beer or she and no as madam the earring alone a tito for ma one ray a tone and swap when I bet the chance I will come baby more. Now talk on the swap I will come back as Madian Quano a woodru and sana. Nkomade na eda ne kro nim no wanhwe ye na eyi se ngre na to so asema baga na senti sa ne o me de enteyi na entensu si esi a asema baga na abawe e de abetu twa na abawe a o hwe no ne din edi wayala biyala o se wayala ne ho ye fankasa ne ho ye fe na otu nwuma ne ni o de tu nwuma na nkasa na ho say yes akole. Oh, one, ebi mo type bo wo mo se me se no me da mo ase e da mo ase pa me se wayala okay ebi mo se me se no I wait me sisters please we are not me sisters Riala is my fan that's what I'm talking about Riala edible to my announcement yes it's a trumpet banana na 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 everybody blow your trumpets na 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 Riala edible to announce yes the new music video banner abra Riala kase ni new music video banner o kan se bi na sem ko ga so o twentro kakrebi the fast 7 na ebia media imagine say or the share likes and as a fan e what work ain't no got to work wo no kan say the new music video bi aba na ono angasa no ne nyumba abontia Ghana for be underrated nenyom papa chira yen ma nenyom so we don't value his songs yen maso yen pija ne so nenyom so say dia Shatawale ana say Kwame Eugene na family money yen mama so no Riala si dabi yen ni sa yen value nyum no yen ni body emfama no entino nenyom ba bontia so the be ba Africa na say Ghana memo sometimes no BBC na afi wo mo ejeje nenyom so na ukọ BBC manzo so a we are like no oye winner we ne order number 1 but opachra Ghana ye man nyum ne so na we are we e bia unim na na se unim ne nyum bia maker has always been labeled, in fact always apalawe or ye or one but at this we di babonti ebe can say ne nyum nya ba abonti Ghana for ye value nyum ne mfa mano ye beja nyum ne so mano o hunni ti a ono ko ade ne nyum de Ghana ye mfa na me kai se abra akwaye ne nyum bi ba abonti me tu nyum yama lo mu se Ghana for ye ma akwale ne nyum so ana akwaye a ojama chi oye award winner o wini award pen na ne nyum bi a oto a de bia me bo ne nyum we ewo me dem sometimes e di chichu me re ene sa ne nyum me bo pen we won say reala no ode she's a good and talented lady or you good and talented or you talented ankasa matured in brain or tu nyum won say akwale owo eyi na ne nyum bi a oto ya me die I've taken it, say, even in the evening, in the afternoon, everywhere, I play this song. We are going, heavens know where we are going. We will get there. Boom, boom, si boom, boom, si boom, boom. Boom, boom, si boom, boom. Boom, boom. We are going. Heavens know where we are going. We will get there. Get there. Na nyumu we. Obo nyumu we onya word waso. Wa o se obu meme boano. Bra. Bihumi. Onya word wo nyumu so o Ghana. Enti adan na reala beka se. Ono ni nyumba outside. Yen vivanyum no yen value anase yen manyum ne so we ene ye me na kakra enti no oka na obeka wie ye no ene otweti ye no de Twitter I think Muslim by showbiz lovers but she puts an end and what comparison Wednesday we are June 16 we and authority can't transferify young Ghana for your say. No, not the name ba, and the genuine with. No, we are last year would say, rejoicing. Ni and you be say, dear challenge. I didn't snap over casting me say. We dear real, I mean, no, but when you ever out now, we are waiting for it. Ghana, Fiji managers, any in Crofun Crawford. We are assembled their barber to Ghana. Enti wa o hweme na onim say this is what is happening to Yala ono de na ni tremo no ohu a anase na adwemo no yo dwene say Ghana we don't value his songs when the songs are out we don't value it we underrated it enti no ni sremo say afi mo be ma Yala chance now any song that Yala bring out no we should spread it like the we are here spread it Kwame Eugene Shatawale and Sak then ehun kan no yenye bisa and fama Yala now make nyom I'm so interested in his songs depending nyom chichere he's so lovable and no way and not 20 no order to Twitter no can say the new album video be about out until be a unity. Now, what was ye wait? And I was my remind. I was say, latest song be a babble. Yala, ye basically then I have and just your select Ghana for the latest song a babble. Now, yum no a title, uko a young babble tia, uko YouTube, yum no. Hey, fans for yum name by you, I feel see a beba. 16 we are June we are Wednesday we are an interview and Okasai or 20 or Twitter and to new name by but see we should put our eyes on her You fire into so. You fire into so. Put your eyes on me. Put your mind on me. Follow me. Dimichino. Yendinity. Na nyom na ebeba. O YouTube. Eko go nsu. Na okobo Riala. Latest song na. Eno so ebeba. Na nyom ni title no. Ni nyom ni title ne ye. Yaga. Ni sere o maka. Yaga. Was say about life. Eba. Ubia download na ubia ndite ni mfam ubia Riala yaga idia majatu nyaba me na meka wonsem and no please Ghana never underrated your song. We value your song, we love your song. If you don't know today AJ Plolo, I'm telling you, your donyum, your donyum, your bonyum. Now me kaitema ubatema we are going ye wankasa and ye wona ebia wontemanhwe ye de was wankasa Riala, so never feel bored. Edini AJ Plolo AJ woman come AJ answer some more AJ obia se onyobi mesme nyobi tami say one subscribe ya mami asemato edini AJ Plolo makrabo bye